If you are a real estate agent struggling with social media and figuring out what to post, then you have to check out Karuvi.social. And I can't wait to give you some tips as to how to take advantage of this amazing platform made specifically for real estate agents. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate marketer, real estate agent, and a global team leader. Thank you so much for joining me on this channel. If you'd like to learn more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get updates on more content like this. Everything real estate marketing, social media, systems, process, CRMs, name it, I cover it here. And if you're looking to partner with me and you want to get access to all my training resources for free, click on the link in the description below and learn more about it. Happy to meet with you. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below, and I'm happy to share them with you. So let's talk a little bit about Karuvi.social, what you're looking at right now. So if you go to Karuvi.social, you'll get to this page and you can learn more about this amazing platform. I actually did a video just recently explaining and doing an explained video about kind of what this platform is, how it can help you. And I love this platform. It is strategy driven platform, not just templates that give you content, strategic content to grow your business over a long period of time. It gives you daily posts that are pre-written for you. It gives you strategy templates, and it gives you pretty much content done for you on every single day of the month with pre-written hashtags, an example post to show you what your future look like. And it even gives you, again, optimized content to help you grow your business. And it is amazing. Your content will not look like any other agents, which is important because you can really adapt it to make your own. And what is amazing about this platform, it is applicable for all social media platform. You can use it on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Business Profile, YouTube, TikTok, and you can turn it into videos, shorts, long form, short form, name it. It is amazing. I have agents that go and use this platform and schedule their content in for literally weeks to come. And here are some tips that I want to share with you on how to best take advantage of this platform. First and foremost, follow your brand style sheet, the one that you have that were created by a potential marketing person that might have put your brand together, or when if you did put your brand together, your colors, your fonts, put them into actions. Because when this content and strategy comes to life, people want to be able to, the more they interact with you, they're going to notice your content. You want to be able to stay consistent with the look and feel of your brand. How does your brand feel? So if you put together a personal brand strategy, this is a great time to exercise that. And really, those key messages, those keywords that you use, as well as the taglines, the look and feel, really to be applied while using these content. This is going to really save you a lot of money, most importantly time, and that's through just really strategic content. So definitely start with having these content and strategy be in the confinement of your brand, one. And two, I highly recommend you take advantage of some sort of a scheduling tool and you kind of plan out exactly which of the contents that you like. Do you want to post every single day? Do you have, how many posts do you want to go out every week? And I highly recommend, this is a great time to actually go to help and support, watch the step-by-step tutorials. There's great tutorials in here, ton of different videos. I recommend you check that out. And as you can see here, there are really short videos that show you exactly how to take advantage of this amazing platform. My recommendation is, the best way to use some of the content in here is to think about, choose a day of the month and put aside a few hours and schedule your content in, and they're done. And anytime you're on the road, actually working, doing showings, even if you're out having, a breakfast, or if you are out playing with your children, snap photos and start to record them and start putting them in a folder so that you can either take advantage of the social media manager feature, the program that is available through through Karuvi, or you could take advantage of doing them on your own. And now you have a ton of different content that you can leverage. So that would be a great place to start, and that would be my recommendation: is just start to collect a lot of media. One, and two, when you're collecting these media, I recommend that you do them in different format, not just videos. Maybe also take photos. Maybe you want to take longer content. Maybe vertical and landscape. And so think about your content being more versatile and that it's applicable in multiple different platforms. So you're not limited to just posting on Instagram, for example. And they're really more comprehensive and they can relate to people a little bit more. And then you save a lot of time because you're already living and out there. So that would be my strategy number three. And the last tip that I wanted to give you is just do it. Take your time to do it. You probably spend so much time following other realtors trying to figure out what to post. This is the right platform for you that's going to give you exactly what you need. I highly recommend that even if you start with a free account and just instead of having to go ahead and pay for the monthly or the yearly or try the first month, to be honest, just get an idea of what it's like to use this platform, how it's going to help you, and how to better take advantage of this platform because there's no other platform like this in the market. It is one of its kind, and every other accounts that are very or platforms that are similar to this are always templates driven, and everyone has the templates that are similar to yours and they don't quite work. And this is really about bringing your brand and the customizable to the forefront, and also it's all optimized, which is why it is so powerful. So I highly recommend you take advantage of those tips and put them into action, and I hope they're helpful for you. And please leave them in the comment section below and let me know. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I will see you next time.